Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for the newcomers I'm Scholar, for the returning subscribers, welcome. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can use this and this on your face. So let's go without wasting time. I will start by cleansing my face using the lemon juice, the fresh lemon juice. This one I've just sliced it into two. So I'll just squeeze the lemon water on my hands, and I'll just apply in circular motions. The same way you use the shop cleanser is the same you use this lemon as a cleanser. So I'm going to squeeze another lemon water on the palm of my hands, and then cleanse in circular motions. Hope you can see how I'm cleansing my face in circular motions. You can also do it on your lips. Don't forget under the hand, but be careful, don't put on the eyes. Then I'll leave it for 15 minutes, then I wash off, then we continue. I'm going to wait it to dry off. After 30 minutes I've just washed off my face. And I can advise, don't scrub your face like this, just dab it to remove the excess water. Then the next thing we are going to do is this. So I'll be going to use this banana. First, banana is very nutritious. I start by eating it. Then these peels I'm going to, you see. After that, I'm going to remove the whatever it's called, what, the nutrients in the peel, and then I'm going to apply it on my face. Just rub it on your face. Then after that, the banana peel will look like this. I don't know if you can see it, will look like this. Take another one, a nutritious one, look like this, as in it has that white coat. So you rub it on your face. You can also even place it there if you have dark circles. Place it there. You place this another one here, and you stay like this for a while, then you remove it. This is another treatment for dark circles. But as for me, today's video is not about dark circles, but to treat your face. I'm going to pin the benefits of banana peel on the video, just aside. You can read as you go on, as you watch the video. So stay till the end so you can see how this banana peel does to my face. Let's see if it will work. And if you have tried it, tell us, did it work? So guys, it has dried off. and I'm just feeling my face tight and sticky. That's how it looks like when it's dry. Let's wash off and see the results. So after that, guys, this is how my face looks like after washing off that banana peel. So guys, after that, I'll be using my always moisturizer, and it is Vaseline, and I'll be moisturizing my skin. As always, take time to moisturize your skin. Take time to moisturize your skin. And as we moisturize my skin, there are 3 benefits of banana peel on your skin, and I'll be taking you through very quickly. 1, it helps in control the oil on your face or on your skin. This is because, yes guys, after washing off and after moisturizing, that's how my face looks like. Shiny, tight, fresh, no wrinkles. Yes, and also glowing. So as I was saying, there are 3 main benefits of banana peel. 1, it will help to control the oil on your face. 2nd, if you have acne or pimples, it will help if you add with other ingredients like honey, turmeric. It will help to treat that pimples on your face or those acne on your face. The other one is it has anti-aging effect, as in you look more younger than you are. If it is mixed with orange juice and also yogurt. This is because when you apply that banana peel, you'll feel that your face is a bit tight, sticky. So that one helps in with fighting wrinkles. Yes, and also the banana peel, as you know, the banana itself, it's very very nutritious. It has things like potassium, it has vitamin E and also C, if you don't know, and it will promote your skin, and your skin will glow. As you can see, mine it's glowing already, and I can't mind doing it again and again. Please, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll not miss any of my videos. I'll be doing more research and bringing to you more videos about skincare. And yes, stay safe till we meet the next video. Ciao.